All right, welcome back, guys. So we've talked about our defense forming their triangles. We've talked about the mids and their roles, um, the distance that they should be covering all the way up here. And now I want to talk a little bit about how to outlet to the offense and where the offense should be playing. So you have your left forward and your right forward and your center. And generally speaking, we want our center playing most of the game way up here. Okay, that's going to be his position. And generally speaking, our forwards should only have to come back to around the midfield line, and generally they're going to be playing up here. It's going to be the job of the left mid and the right mid to continually push the ball up to the forwards and work in conjunction with so the left mid and the left forward work together, the right mid and the right forward work together, and that right forward is always kind of offensive minded. Okay, so on defense, when we clear, whoever's clearing, if it's one of these five guys, their job is to try to volley it up to the left mid or the left forward or the right mid and the right forward, always trying to get the ball moving this way. Then the next goal, once the ball is passed to one of these players, is to try to get a 2-on-1 where we have the left forward pushing up, but he knows he has the left mid trailing, and the center is already there to strike. Same thing on the right side. These two, the right mid and the right forward, work in conjunction with the ball. We're hoping to get a 2-on-1 with our two guys against one mid or defender here, and they're going to volley back and forth to try to push the defense out of position so that center striker can get a shot. Left forward and right forward, your zones of operation are generally from right here all the way up here, and from right here all the way up here. And that's where we're looking to have you play. All right, so you got a lot of ground to cover, but it's mainly offensive. In the center, your zone is really this whole box. All right, you're the guy that we're targeting to get the majority of the shots. All right.